Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is how to change the engine filter in the 2019 Honda Accord Hybrid. This definitely works for the 2018 and newer models, 2019, 2020, etc. So first thing you do is prop up the hood over here and locate the engine filter. As you can see, the engine filter is near the center of the vehicle in the back. And once you located that, there's actually two latches over here that you need to take note of. 1 and 2. So you need to push down to unlock it. So I'm going to do that right here. 1, 2. That's the easiest to unlatch it. Then you just slide this thing out carefully. Note the cable has a tight length. Okay. Then you'll see the engine filter. So the engine filter is right here, and you know, read your owner's manual how often it needs to be changed, or if it's dirty it needs to be changed. Notice the upper left, there's actually a notch, this thing over here. Okay, so you can check it. Mine is pretty clean because my vehicle is pretty new. Alright, so there's also a notch over here. So when you get your new one, for example, do you want to unpack it and put it back in? It just sits back in like that. It's very simple. Notice before you put it in, your latches are out over here. They're not in. And also you need to slide the thing back in here. So be careful with the little enclosure over here, so you don't break the cable. So you're going to slide it back here like this. Then align it. Then you want to put the latch up with the line. There it goes. That's 1. Let's see. It's 2. And that's how easy it is to change the engine filter in the Honda Accord Hybrid 2018 and newer. We appreciate a thumbs up. It helps you out and save you some money. And please share the video. And see you next time. Bye.